Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube watermark using Canva and add it to your videos. A watermark is a small logo or subscribe button that appears in the corner of your videos, helping viewers easily subscribe to your channel. Follow these steps to create and add your watermark. Start by going to Canva's website. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button. Since YouTube requires the watermark to be square, choose a design with a square aspect ratio, like an Instagram post template. This will ensure the dimensions are 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is perfect for our needs. In the Canva editor, you will see options on the left-hand side. You can choose elements, text, or upload your own images. For this tutorial, I will create a simple subscribe button. First, go to the Elements section and search for a YouTube logo or subscribe button graphic. Select one that fits your style and drag it onto your canvas. Next, adjust the size and position of the graphic to make it prominent but not overwhelming. Place it in the center or adjust as needed. If you want to include text, go to the Text section and click Add a heading. Type subscribe or any message you prefer. Customize the text color, size, and font to match your branding. Once your design is complete, double-check that it looks clear and professional. Now click on the Share button at the top of the screen. From there, select Download. Choose the PNG format and download. Now we can click on Save. Now we go our channel and upload watermark. Once uploaded, you will see the watermark displayed. Here, you can make adjustments to the size and placement. You can resize the icon by dragging its edges to make it larger or smaller. After adjusting, click on Done. As you can see, the watermark is now set to appear in the bottom right corner of your videos. If you want to make the watermark smaller and take up only the bottom part of the corner, the process is straightforward. First, return to Canva and open your design. Delete any extra elements to simplify the layout. Now, focus on creating a clean subscribe button. Go to the Elements section in Canva and search for a subscribe button. Select a simple button design from the options available. If you have a Canva Pro account, enable the transparent background option. If you don't have a Pro account, we will address this in the next step. If you cannot download with a transparent background, set the background color to bright green in Canva. Download your design and then use a free background removal tool like Adobe Express. Open Adobe Express in your browser, upload the file, and remove the green background. Download the updated version of your watermark. Next, go to your YouTube studio. Click on Customization from the left-hand menu and then select the Branding tab. Scroll down to the section labeled Video Watermark. Click on Change and upload your watermark file. You can adjust the display settings, such as when the watermark should appear. Choose between the entire video, a custom start time, or just the end of the video. Click Publish to save your changes. To verify that everything is set up correctly, go to your YouTube channel and open one of your videos. Play the video and check for the watermark in the bottom right corner. Hover over it to ensure the subscribe button is functional. This is how you can easily create and add a YouTube watermark using Canva. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.